You can eat that, and then you can have a cookie. No, ma'am. Eat that chicken first.
Can you move her cup for me?
Are you filming her? Do you want your cookie?
We have to teach Mimi how to do this. Because Mimi just gives the cookies first.
No, no, no. Eat the chicken first. Here, take a bite of your chicken. Kaylee.
Kaylee, Daddy ate all his chicken and I ate all my chicken.
No, you can't have that cookie until you eat some chicken. No, ma'am. Put it back.
Kaylee, eat your chicken first, okay? Just have one bite. It's just a little bite, okay? You like chicken. You eat chicken all the time. You get a little taste of it. Ooh, that's good, isn't it? Just eat a little piece of chicken. Just a little one, baby. You can even, Elmo can feed it to you. Pick up Elmo. Yeah.
What is?
I don't know. It was just a noise.
There's noise.
Just a noise. You can do it. Kaylee, it's not that hard. It'll be done in just a
Daddy,
second.
cookies?
He's about to eat that cookie.
Yeah.
I'm about to eat it.
Noise. Noise. Noise.
Mm-mm.
Kaylee.
Chicken first.
I ate my chicken. My chicken's all gone. It's yummy, Kaylee. It's very delicious. Actually, if you'd eat it, you'd probably prefer it over the cookie.
Don't listen to mommy. One bite, baby. You eat that, and then you get the cookie.
Come on, you can do it.
Here, I'll eat a piece. You want it?
Ooh, can I have
good.
a piece?
Mmm.
Oh, I can have that piece? You have that piece. Let Daddy give me a piece.
Here, let's give mommy one. I'll give mommy this one, and you eat this one.
Ready? Let's do it at the same time. Ready? Let's count. Pick it up. Pick it up. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go. You gotta do it with me. Come on. Come on.
You eat yours.
Your turn. Ready? Mommy did hers. 1, 2, 3. Your turn. Go on.
Daddy,
Here, you eat it. Kaylee, look at me right now. We're going to do this the hard way. Look at me right now. Open your mouth. Open your mouth now.
No, that's not gonna work.
Open your mouth.
Look! Chew it up like mama. Mmm. Yummy. It's really good.
It's in there.
Chew it up. Chew it up, chew it up, chew it up. Come on, before mommy comes. I'm gonna come
It's
steal
okay,
your
baby.
chicken. I'm gonna come steal your chicken. Here I
Chew it
come.
up.
Here I come. Here I
Chew it
come.
up, baby.
I'm gonna steal your chicken. I'm gonna
Here,
steal
look.
it.
You can have your cookie next. It's okay, baby. We tried to do it the easy way.